Ngi pidang sebagai pi borok sasi sen pat chakani ka channel ka jongi bat hangani ka video ngin pe yakini ki post ki brang shalat thamai po Meghalaya.
Shabang insdang yakani ka video sngubha subscribe yakani ka channel but turn on your new notification bell kanang bapinum do yaki videos ki bangi upload. Pila ruban follow yangi po ka Instagram kani ka di ka Instagram account ka jongi.
Yakini ki post lapalat ka Meghalaya State Watershed and Wasteland Development Agency lani ka MSWWDA mentau banai rajar RPR kikirtan jungin ki post kilong kumne technical expert account assistant bat ka data entry operator yakini ki post kin sapalong ya ka walk in interview haka arpau terik arpaway bat haka RPR terik jong banai April rajar RPR ya ka post technical expert ka balai kawai ka salary lani ka tulap kedai kat san hajar hakshi banai educational qualification kolong kumne peladi ben pendam ya ka post graduation lani ka MTech lani ka ME haka civil engineering agriculture horticulture forestry lani social work ya kani ka post pidon kam minimum license experience haka project implementation lani ka management jong ka rural development works lani project ya ka post account assistant ka balai kawai ka salary lani ka tulap ka dai lai pho hajar hak sibnai ke educational qualification kolong kumne peladi ben pendap ya ka graduation lani post graduation haka commerce accountancy lani BBA lani MBA haka financial management accounting but finance pide ru bandan yaki skills kum ka written but ka verbal communication but ru pide bandang haka general MS package spreadsheet but ka data analysis ya kani ka post pidon kam minimum license experience haka maintenance jongki accounts taxation but financial management pideru bantep bhashi pangki charts of accounts lane ki accounting procedures kin kam prefer bha yagi to ki ba nang ya ka computerized accountancy lane ka latest version jongka tali ya ka post data entry operator ka balai ka wai ka salary lane ka tulap ka de ka san hajar ha si banai ke educational qualification kalong kumne peladi ban pendap ya ka graduation hakono ka discipline ba pideru bandan ka certificate course haka computer kin kam prefer bha yagi to ki bandang ya ka statistical software typing skills ba pidan kamru kumba hanre banai hado shisnam ka experience ke age limit lani ka kerta ka berdo ka dekat prasnam bat ka bahe do ka dai lai puar snam bat kandan sansnam relaxation yaki schedule cast bat ki schedule tribe candidates ki candidates ki belong eligible bak bekwaban apply kini ki post pihak banra yaki original documents kumka degree certificate, mark sheet, experience certificate, bat kiwi-kiwi ru, nakabenta ka verification, haka sengi balong ka interview. Ya kani ka walk-in interview, kinsa pelong haka office of the Divisional Soil and Water Conservation Officer, Shillong, Territorial Division, Polo Hills, Shillong, East Khasi Hills District, Meghalaya. Ya ka post technical expert kinsa pelong haka arpoterik bana April arajar RPR, naduk harway BJ menstap. Ya ka post account assistant kin penlong haka arpoi terik benai April arajar RPR nado khawai BJ menstap but ya ka post data entry operator kin sepelong haka RPR terik benai April arajar RPR nado khawai BJ menstap ka official notification lani ka notice ngal ai po description jong ni video dis ngobha download but pulih share ka shaba pin apply kini ki post kanang ba pin tip shusho shapang kiwe ki details